Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to create a poll in Messenger group chat. So make sure that you updated the app to the latest version so you can actually have access to all the new features. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead and open up my Messenger. And as you can see, this is my messages and everything. Go ahead and enter the group right here. Basically, I don't have access to this group, so I'm going to just create a new one. Let's have example 1, and let me just create another one, which is that one. And now let me initiate like a message. Right now I just created a group. Right now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead and enter this group, right? And I'm going to just go ahead and click the plus button next to the camera right here. I'm going to click on it, and basically I'm going to just turn on the location access. And basically before you go and turn on the location access, you're going to see right here a poll icon, and just go ahead right here and choose poll, or most likely two. And in my case, I'm gonna just choose a poll right here, and basically I'm gonna add one option like 1, right? And I can add another option 2, or yay or nay, yes or no, and all that, and just basically click create a poll right here. As you can see, now you initiated or started a poll. Let's turn on the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.